Okay, so we've sent you through the link to access our secure client portal. This is essentially what it's going to look like once you get there. The reason why you should fill this out is because it's quick and easy. It's the fastest and easiest online bank application that you'll ever do in your life. The key thing with it is that we can send it through to all of the bank application forms, all of the bank calculators as well. So it's the one source of truth that we can use to give you advice right through the whole entire process. It'll take you around 20 minutes to fill it out, but we'll have a quick look and see exactly kind of what you can expect once you do click through the link. So as soon as you get the link through, you'll notice your email address is already going to be on there. You just need to enter in your own password and hit get started. When you first log in, this is the first screen you'll see. The most important thing here is just to get started on it, fill the information out as best as you can, and then we'll fill in the blanks when we talk to you next. The application just starts off with, what are you actually wanting to do? Then we kind of go through, is it a first home? Is it an investment property? Is it a batch or whatever it's going to be? So once you've filled out this section, what we do is we hit next, and the application is really intuitive. So this next screen is going to take you through to the people. So this is really about who's involved in the borrowing. Is it, a mum and dad? Is it a single person? Is there any companies, like look through companies involved? And is there any trust involved? So it'll prompt you for all of that information, and you can just hit next onto the next screen. That'll take you through to the assets and liabilities section. So once you get there, that's things like, what's your deposit? How much cash do you have in the bank? Do you have KiwiSaver? Do you have any cars? All that sort of stuff. So it will capture your assets. Again, it's all prompted, so you can just enter it really easily. And liabilities also actually covers off things like any other debts that you might have. Could be credit cards, could be buy now, pay laters. Again, all prompted through the portal. Then you kind of come down to the household section. So, that's going to say, do you have children? It's going to ask around your expenses and other things associated to your existing household. Then we go down to cash flow. So that drills a little bit further down into your expenses. So, roughly what do you spend on food? Doesn't have to be exact. Food, power, all those recurring expenses that the bank's going to take into account to work out your affordability for the mortgage. And then it comes down to a last page for disclosure. So that's just making you aware of how everything works. And from there, what we'll do is we'll give you a call and we'll run through all this information with you, generally in a 15-minute call, and just make sure that it's all accurate, that you understand it, answer your questions that you've done with us, and just make sure that everything makes sense. Once we have that, we can then go and put it into all the bank calculators from the CRM. And these are the actual bank calculators that the banks use, not the ones that are on the websites, but they're essentially just a complicated Excel spreadsheet that has all of the bank's parameters and buffers built into it. Things like the test rates that they use, things that they do, like they take away from your serviceability because you've got, say, a credit card, or allowances for buy now, pay laters, all of these things that you don't find on like an online bank calculator. So we will do that with you on the spot, let you know exactly how much you can borrow based on the information that you've entered. From there, once you're happy and we've got the right numbers for you and it looks like it's all going to work, we then just send through a document link. So we're moving on to that next step. And once you get the document link, it'll tell you exactly what you need to upload for us to get the loan approved for you and to be able to go and apply to all of the main banks as well. So that could be stuff like passport, so your ID, income evidence, an employment contract, maybe it's financials if you're self-employed, and then things like bank statements, transactional bank statements, credit card, whatever it's going to be based on your situation. And again, it's all super easy. It's really intuitive to use. And thanks very much for getting in touch with us. We're really looking forward to working with you.